welcome to IKEA! Let's go!
Hey everybody, welcome to our vlog. Today we're going to be going to IKEA.
Yes, and as you all know, we just moved here like 6 months ago and we're trying different places, and this time we're gonna see how it's like to be in IKEA in America, because we've been to the Philippine one. And how do you like it?
It's pretty good.
Actually, we're kind of addicted to it because there are a lot of things you can buy.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try out what it's like shopping in IKEA, the prices in here as well, because since we are in America, maybe it's different. We're gonna try out the food as well, right?
Yeah, we
What?
missed the
What?
Toblerone cake. Toblerone cake. And the meatballs.
Yes, actually for me, just the meatballs, and I'm not sure if they have the spaghetti here, but let's check it out later on. It's gonna be a 50-minute drive from Oceanside. It's in San Diego, like town proper, Fenton Parkway. So yep, join us later on in IKEA. Let's go! Downtown, baby. Chula Vista na. Nice and everything. Here we made it to IKEA San Diego. And the famous yellow and blue things. It's actually like home when you see IKEA, no? Reiki.
For real, bruh? For real.
Alright guys, so we made it to IKEA! So as you can see, the sign is there, the blue and the yellow thing. So let's get in. Towards the entrance.
Yeah.
Obviously. Entrance. This is our view.
Four different kinds of sauce. Wait, you had this before? You had this before?
Fika. Is it? How is it?
This is so good.
Is it delicious?
Have the garlic.
Three, two, one, go. Okay na yan? Flag. The meatballs, I must say, is much better than in the Philippines. I don't know why.
Sapat, sabihin mo.
And what I noticed as well, they don't have much options when it comes to food options. I don't know why. Maybe there's something going on, but this is what they have.
In the Philippines, you have like way too much.
Yes. Keep comparing. No? And this also, the place is kind of smaller. Way smaller. This is like a ship pantry to me.
It's like half.
Yeah.
Half the
Not
size.
even half, like 1/4. about this. This is our dream kitchen. Hopefully,
I would love to wake up every
and the
single
dream
day
fridge.
saying, ay, wait, guys. Ito yung manufacturer mini kitchen. Kaya kasi, baka naman, guys.
Ito bisita.
Would you guys like some steak? I'll cook it. This is $6.
I love the in the fridge.
Report back to your vehicle.
We're gonna have a peaceful dinner. Peaceful.
Alright guys, so that concludes our IKEA trip, which we had so much fun. Of course, every visit in San Diego, you'll have to visit 85 Degrees. Why? They have the best pastries in the world, especially the ube bean. And of course, they couldn't have any drinks. Why?
I was craving.
Okay. Depends on her cravings. I'm gonna have lemonade because I drank a little bit. My sister is having her favorite sea salt matcha. And again, that concludes our IKEA trip. I hope to see you on the next video. If you have requests or anything, I mean, we don't have much more to listen, so we'll see. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!